Speaker,
now you know.
NHIF today is paying a provider for rescue services, ambulance services, based on the total number of subscribers, membership of NHIF, instead of the number who have benefited from this service. It therefore means where there is need to sort out our referral system, this bill does not go far enough in sorting the real issues. However, it is an issue that as legislators we have to grapple with. So, Mr. Speaker, as a member of the Health Committee, I stand by the decision of our committee to oppose this bill in its present format. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Member for Achuonyo.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for giving me an opportunity to air my views on this topic. Mr. Speaker, the first question that we must ask ourselves is why people get referred. Reasons are many. The first compelling reason is the kind of problem, the kind of disease the patient is going through. It must be a serious one that's beyond the referring doctor capacity to treat. He acknowledges that he can't do it, either because he lacks the equipment required, the machines required, or even the medicines themselves that are needed to treat this patient. That being the case, surely, if we are going to subject this patient to some bureaucracies before transfer, we will be adding problems to his suffering from the illness. I feel it is very important that if somebody needs to lengthen his life through treatment because he is sick, that person should be given an opportunity, and his doctor should be given an opportunity to take action as soon as possible. I've never heard of a case where somebody passed on because he was referred. But I know of cases where some people leave this world because they were not given proper medical attention because the treating institution didn't have the capacity. Reasons are there for transfer. Unless this amendment is going to improve the treatment on the patient in terms of the quality and in terms of the time, Mr. Speaker, I won't support this bill. But if it can prove that the patient is going to benefit from this amendment, I would say it is okay. From what it looks like, we are trying to inject some political consideration in the existing bill before amendment in order that we can really control how things are happening. If a patient is sick and is to be taken to India, then you want to go